Guys, you can watch my first ever skit with my friend. Check that out. Links in the description below and subscribe to this channel as well. Hey guys, I am back again and it's time to do a battery charging test of the Honor 8X, and you can see it is a new phone from Honor. I already unboxed it phone on the channel. You can check that out of my unboxing video. So without any further ado, let's quickly talk about some specification about this phone. And this phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a 3700 mAh battery with no support a fast charging, Huawei 710 processor with a 4 GB RAM, and you can see dual cameras on the back with a fingerprint scanner there. And let's quickly show you the charger of this phone that actually comes with a right out of the box. And you can see this phone is giving you a 5 volt with 2 ampere charger, not support a fast charging, and the cable is having a micro USB 2.0 cable, not type C, same as the Huawei Nova 3i. I am very interested to see how much a difference between a 3700 versus a 3300. And let's start out the test. And first I am showing the battery remaining, and you can see 15% battery is remaining. And let's connect a cable, and you can see it is showing me the charging is start, and I calculate a time on my Samsung Galaxy S3. Let's start. Yeah, I will be back after exact half hour, I mean exact 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after half hour, I mean exact 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage of this phone, and you can see the battery percentage is having a 44%. So I will be back after 1 hour exact 60 minutes. So see you guys after 60 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour exact 60 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and you can see 72% is battery is done. So I will be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So see you guys after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and you can see the battery percentage is having a 92%. So I will be back after when phone is charged up to 100%. So see you guys after phone is charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back after the phone is charged up to 100%, and let's see the time, and you can see 1 hour and 56 minutes, and it is a very long journey to charge this phone, and huge difference between a 3700 mAh battery versus a 3300 mAh battery. I am very happy this phone is charged in 2 hours, not 2 hours, about 2 hours, for 4 minutes is left. That's about it. So thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Honor 8X, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future contents and give the video thumbs up. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.